So guys, we all are desperately waiting for the new MIUI 10 and finally it's here for our most outstanding series of Xiaomi, that is Note series. So in this video, let's learn how to install or flash MIUI 10 in your most popular Note 5 Pro. So first of all, you need to download MIUI 10 zip file as we are going to install it through OTA update. First of all, download the zip file from the link given in the description below and then open Settings app. Click on the About Phone option, then click on System Update. Now click on three vertical dots which are at the top right side of the screen, then click on Choose Update Package. Then select the zip file you have just downloaded. Now it will decrypt it and then your phone will switch off. Before switching off, it will give a pop-up in which click on Reboot and Update option. Now this whole process of updating to switching on the phone will take approx 10 to 15 minutes. So I am cutting or fast forwarding this part of the video. Yeah. So guys, when the phone turns on, it will ask for the password or pattern you have set. So guys, after updating, your phone will look like this. So guys, the notification panel has been changed and you can see it is successfully updated to MIUI 10 and the security patch is also updated to September. So wait, let me show you. So this is how now you can control the volume of your device. It is now compact and beautiful. This is how the new notification tray looks like, compact and beautiful. Guys, this is just a sneak peek of MIUI 10 in Note 5 Pro. I'll make a new dedicated video on the top features of MIUI 10, so stay tuned for that. So these are some of the new features you will see in the updater option after updating the MIUI 10 or MIUI 9 from MIUI 10. Yeah, so you can pause the video if you want to read the features. So this is how the new recent screens look like. Wait, let me show you. Yeah, this is how the new recent screen looks like in a new vertical style, giving you the more information in compact style. So guys, there is no major changes in the camera app, but when I spent some time with the MIUI 10, I've noticed that the face unlock has been improved drastically. Yeah. So guys, even in this update, we have no 4K option in the video recording. Maybe in the upcoming updates, we'll get it. So yeah. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you really like this video. If you liked, then don't forget to hit that like button. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you will be notified each and every time whenever I upload a new video. So guys, that's it for this video. Take care and stay tuned for more galvanizing videos. Okay, bye bye.